First impressions matter, especially in dating. And your car is one of the earliest impressions you make. True American Detailers Auto Detail Services take the stress out of car cleaning, ensuring your ride is sparkling clean before your special date. Discover the art of auto detailing, a meticulous process that deep cleans every inch of your car, inside and out, bringing it closer to its original showroom condition. True American Detailer offers comprehensive services, from exterior waxing and polishing to intricate interior cleaning, ensuring your car impresses on every date. Experience the convenience and expertise of True American Detailer, your go-to for mobile car detailing. Our skilled professionals bring top-notch services to your doorstep, offering everything from a basic mobile car wash to comprehensive detailing. With high-quality results and customer satisfaction as our top priorities, you can trust your car is in expert hands. Discover the factors influencing car detail costs at True American Detailer. From car size and level of detailing to condition and chosen services. With competitive and transparent pricing, you'll get high-quality service and peace of mind, no matter the package you choose. Our step-by-step guide to clean dirty car seats, vacuuming to remove loose dirt, deep cleaning with suitable solutions, targeted stain removal, and thorough drying for a fresh, pleasant ride experience. True American Detailer's expertise ensures spotless and comfortable leather seats, making them date-ready. Wrap up your date with a clean car that leaves a lasting impression. True American Detailer's auto detail services not only give you a sparkling ride, but also save time and offer mobile convenience.